Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms, which is ProtonVPN and Norton VPN. So to get started with a quick overview about these two platforms. So ProtonVPN is a privacy focused VPN developed by the creators of ProtonMail, offering strong security, open source transparency, and a strict no-log policy. It's ideal for users who value online anonymity, secure browsing, and independent auditing. Talking about Norton VPN, on the other side, is a part of the Norton 360 suite designed for casual users seeking basic VPN protection with ease of use and integration into antivirus tools. It's like more focused on convenience than advanced privacy. Now talking about what these two VPN are best at. So talking about the ProtonVPN is better at using for prioritized privacy, censorship resistance, and also open source security. And here's the downside about ProtonVPN: the pay plan can get pricey at any time. The interface may feel advanced to casual user, and also the fewer server location compared to some big players. Then talking about Norton VPN, the Norton VPN is best at using the Norton 360 who want a basic bundled VPN protection. And here's a quick downside about this Norton VPN weakness: the logs are some metadata, which also the IP address info, and also no advanced features like split tunnel or Tor support. Not ideal for bypassing censorship or high-risk users. So here's a quick overall conclusion about this platform. So if you are looking for a serious privacy protection, open source, trust, and no compromise approach to online anonymity, just go for ProtonPass. So on the other side, if you are a Norton antivirus user wanting a simple VPN for everyday tasks with easy integration, just go for Norton Secure VPN. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.